If you guys don't want me to tell Project Zorgo where you live, then compete in the last to sink challenge! Oh, but wait! It's 2v2!
Okay, what other team? I call V. I call Regina.
Now, Chad and V versus Daniel and Regina!
Okay, cool.
Oh! I have to be with this buffoon?
I don't want to be on Regina's team. I don't like her anymore.
Wait, what happened?
Yeah, your first round is gonna be to build a boat out of all this crap I found out of your safe house!
Oh, hey! Jeez.
Yeah!
You could have hurt me back here!
As long as one team stays floating for 30 seconds, then I won't tell Project Zorgo. Okay? I'll just give you 5 minutes to build something quick.
Oh, let's go!
Okay, Chad, I got a great idea of building our first boat. This box right here, it's pretty much a boat already.
Yeah.
It just needs to be more stable.
And we gotta make sure there's no holes in it so the tape will fill all the holes.
So water won't get in because, you know, I can't swim.
Oh, I can't believe PZ9 put me on a team with you. She's not as nice of a lady as you guys think.
Well, Daniel, you're my most untrusted colleague.
Take it back.
Daniel, stop talking. We gotta get building. You're wasting our time.
Right.
I say we use these logs. I got a game plan because I'm smarter than you.
Okay, V, why are Daniel and Regina so mad at each other?
I don't know.
Yeah, they're fighting and bickering, they're mad.
They're just like little kids. Okay, guys, if you know what happened between them, let us know in the comments below because we don't know what happened.
Yeah. Hey, PZ9!
Get out of here! Get out of
We're
here!
trying to build a boat here.
Tape and cardboard box?
Yeah, you'll see.
It's too bad V can't swim. This is almost dangerous.
PZ9, aren't you hot in that costume?
Yeah, maybe you should take your mask off.
Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. Psych!
It's our boat. We sit on them.
Okay, I like where you're going with this horrible idea. Oh, gosh! PZ9, we're trying to build here. This isn't fair. You're wasting our time, man.
I'll waste everybody's time.
I think we have to put something on top of these rolls here. Well, what if we put like a styrofoam piece on top so it's nice and comfortable?
Ooh, for our tushies?
For our little tushies.
We need some tape.
Oh! Typical PZ4, being a nuisance.
I'm not a nuisance.
You know, at first I thought she had posture issues, but it might be more of a coordination thing.
Hey, that's a little mean, PZ9.
Yeah.
Here, I'll help you out.
Oh! Look
hey!
at that. Get away! Why are you ruining our boat?
I'm just helping. I think you guys better hurry up. You only have a little bit of time left.
Oh gosh.
Want to see the boat that you can build in 2 minutes?
Yeah.
Well, too bad I don't have a partner.
Yeah, because you're so mean to everybody.
Alright guys, PZ9 is so mean and so rude to us, I don't even know if he knows how to swim. Chad, I think we should try and like push him into the pool. If we get him all wet, maybe have to take off his mask.
I don't know where Regina went. She just left me. She must be pooping or something. I learned that about her a lot. She poops so much.
See, she is a Project Zorgo member.
Exactly. When I left Project Zorgo, I stopped pooping.
So like, do you like
Spit it out, PZ9.
do you like Regina or do you like Regina?
Have you been listening to anything I've been saying, PZ9? None of the above. Thumbs down for me.
I think we're good, PZ9. This thing's gonna float just fine.
Yeah, do you like it? I mean, it's black like your heart, your soul, and your outfit.
Good burn, V.
Yeah, I'm so excited to see this boat float.
Hey, nice rhyme. To be a poet, you don't even know it.
Well, I think it's gonna sink.
Hey!
What kind of challenge is this? Are we playing row your boat or tic-tac-toe?
Hey.
That's so funny. You're funny.
Duh, of course. I know I'm super funny, gosh.
Here it is. Oh, guys, I'm not feeling too good about your boat. Why is this?
There's holes in
You
it.
got 4 big holes in your boat.
You're right, Regina.
Let's gonna
It's
fill.
your fault.
Let's go, guys, get along, okay? You got 4 holes. So, what's the name of your guys' boat here?
How about totally tubular?
Hey, the boat. That's perfect.
Yeah.
Got 2. Hey, you probably could have used a little more tape here, though, guys.
Hey, come on, Chad. What about your boat? I didn't see yours yet.
Yeah. V, where are you? Where'd she go?
Right here.
Oh, Cheetos.
Do you like my new
My.
bathing suit? Hot Cheetos.
Spicy
My
señorita.
Yes, it fits my personality. And my favorite snack, obviously.
V, let's show him our boat and how it's gonna float with a goat.
Where's the boat?
He's coming. He'll be late.
I want to see somebody sing. Yeah.
Not gonna happen, PZ9. There we go. Okay.
Floating.
Hey, Regina, can you hold those?
No.
You're gross.
Oh, it's like old cheese.
All right, I'll get on first, Daniel.
Okay.
Yeah, you got this.
Oh, God. Oh, wow. How embarrassing.
That didn't even float for 1 second.
Guys, it didn't even have a chance.
Regina, what did you do?
There's holes in this.
There's holes holes in your friendship. Now, if Chad and B's boat doesn't float, well, Project Zorgo's gonna pay you a visit.
It's up to us, B.
Yeah, we gotta carry the team now. I gotta get my trusty life jacket, you guys.
That's right, you can't swim. Okay. Step one, we're gonna place this into the pool. Look at that beauty. Wow. I knew it would float. I don't know, I don't have a lot of faith in this box.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. Start the timer.
Yeah.
Here we go.
It's working! It's working! Oh my gosh. Okay, get me out of here.
Are you taking in any water? Whoa, it's bone dry. The boat will probably last 60 seconds, but will V last that long?
3, 2, 1.
Yeah! Get me out of here.
Oh, shit.
Oh my God.
Yeah!
We did it.
We did it.
Now, round 2 is gonna be a relay race across the pool.
Okay.
We need to build a better boat, Daniel.
Yeah, our boat's horrible.
I will give you another 5 minutes to upgrade your boat.
Daniel, this boat was a complete piece of garbage. It did
really
not work
was.
at all.
PZ9 said it didn't work because there's holes in the boat, just like there's holes in our friendship.
If we need to repair the holes in the boat to work, maybe we need to repair the holes in our friendship.
So you're saying when there's holes in things, it just doesn't work out?
Yes, except for donuts.
Let's just be friends for now and win this challenge.
Oh, wow.
Likey?
Yeah, I like to see it fail.
Hey, we just taped up all the seams of these Lego blocks. There's gonna be no holes anywhere. It's gonna float like a butterfly.
I'm using the clear tape here, so it keeps the aesthetic and looking nice. Chad used duct tape and it's not very nice.
Mine looks like a bumblebee. See, black and yellow. Float like a butterfly, sting like a bee.
Wait, Chad, you mean sting like a V?
Oh!
Aye! Man, I hate holding the camera.
And the camera hates you. Oh!
Daniel, I have an idea. I have a secret stash over here.
A secret stash of what? What is all this stuff?
Floaties. Wow.
Whoa! It's a Domino's pizza.
It's a Domino's pizza. You like pepperoni?
I'm more of a sausage man.
Blow that boat.
I don't know if I can do this, Regina. I don't have enough air in my body.
But you're an airhead.
Hey, Regina, what did we just talk about? We're supposed to be mending our friendship, okay? No more of that, it hurts my feelers.
Right, Spy Ninjas. While Chad is taping up his Lego because he's kind of slow, I just noticed that PZ9's over there by the pool. Like, what is he doing? He's just standing there. It is the perfect chance for me to push him into the pool. He'll get all wet, even his mask, I have to remove it, and then we'll see his true identity. Let's do it.
Oh, are you trying to push me into the pool just now?
No, I was not. I was trying to get your attention to see how much time we have left into our boat building. No, I wasn't trying to do that. PZ9, you know I can't swim, right? I don't have my life jacket on right now. You wanted to throw me in the deep end? Get away from me! I do not know how to swim. He was gonna throw me in the deep end. I can't swim. That PZ9 guy is no joke. He's evil.
I mean, you're obviously using some kind of inflatable for your boat.
We're just using it to help us.
Okay, I just thought you were using an inflatable to keep your relationship afloat.
Hey, me and Daniel, we're best buds now, right? Come on, get over here. Smile.
Yay, look at that!
Hey! This isn't a boat. We could get disqualified for this. So let's use this as our base and let's build around the pizza.
Okay, Chad, what's the game plan right now? Because we have to go from shallow end to deep end.
I think you should go in first because then I can help you out. And then I'll jump in and swim to the other side and then we win.
Okay, what if I fall out? Are you gonna jump in and help me?
You'll have your life preserver on.
So does that mean you're not gonna jump in and help me?
You won't need it because you have your life preserver on.
But what if I need your help? I want you to go in there and save me.
I will be floating the boat to the other side, winning the challenge.
But I'm in the water in the deep end, and you know how afraid I am of water.
But you'll have your life preserver on, you'll be fine.
You're my husband, Chad!
That is true.
Wait, why are we doing this, Regina? What's the point of this?
These barriers right here help protect us, you know, so we don't fall off. Or if like PZ9 tries to like hit us with something, we can duck.
Oh! Oh! No!
Oh!
Regina!
Oh, man!
I worked so hard on this masterpiece.
Daniel and Regina, look at our boat.
Oh, man!
This is so good.
V's gonna go first, paddle down, and come back. And I'll jump in and paddle down.
Good luck, guys.
Yeah, you got this, guys.
Okay.
Now for this challenge, if none of you guys make it in under 90 seconds, I'm gonna just go ahead and tell Project Zorgo. Let's keep things interesting!
You never said that.
Yeah, you keep making up new rules.
My game, my rules.
We built this huge thing. This is gonna block the water. It's gonna slow us down. I didn't know there was a time.
Too bad, so sad.
Let's go.
All right, V, hop on in.
She matches the little pontoons.
It's a pontoon.
Oh!
Oh my gosh.
Are you ready, V?
Yes, I'm ready.
Start the timer.
Got this.
Go. I'll give you a push.
Thank you.
Here you go, V.
Go, 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 go.
Faster, V, come on.
There's no way you can turn.
Right turn.
Going the wrong way.
V, you're gonna hit the edge. Tag him in, tag him in.
All right,
There you go.
my turn.
Your turn, Chad.
Come on, Chad, you got this. Oh my God.
Oh no, Chad.
Push. Here we go. Here we go.
Go.
Go faster. You got this. You can do it, Chad.
I can do it. Look at me. I'm floating.
You're doing it.
Not for long. Look at that bend in your boat. It's taking in water.
Luckily, I'm good at the butterfly stroke. Like I said, float like a butterfly, think like a bee.
Woo! You know, neither of them can actually live on the water.
Come on, Chad.
Go.
Come on, Chad.
You're running out of time.
Keep
I'm getting
going.
tired.
Come on.
Do it, Chad.
Watch out for PZ9.
Hey, get out of here, PZ9. All right, Regina and V, I need your help.
Go, 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 go.
Yeah.
Yes. And time.
All right.
All right.
How's the time?
What was the time, PZ9? Did they do it?
Did we pass?
What?
What? Oh, Chad, V.
I thought we finished it.
Shoot, you guys, you gotta do it in under 90 seconds or else Project Zorgo's gonna know our address.
Well, you can do it, you guys.
Let's go.
Just gotta use our arms.
Yes, use those muscles just like that. Just like that.
Here it is. A pizza. It's a pizza boat.
More like pizza crab. Pizza crab.
Hey, a beam.
No, it's not. It's gonna float just fine. You guys can do it.
Thanks, Dee.
What's the name of this boat?
It's the Krusty Krab.
Oh, it's got a crust. Oh.
It doesn't make any sense.
Okay, I'll go on first.
You can do this, Daniel.
Regina, I'll meet you down there.
All right, you got this, boy.
Start the timer. Ready?
Give it a nice big kick.
You do it, Daniel.
Come on, 90 seconds on the clock. You got this. Kick, kick.
Can't even see where he's going.
Wow. Good speed. Good speed.
I can't see anything.
You're almost there. 10 more feet.
You're going backwards, Daniel. You're going backwards.
Yeah, switch. Turn around, turn around.
Get out.
Turn around.
I want to get out of here.
Oh my gosh. You completed it so
It's still good. Go, go, hurry.
Oh, Regina, no. Swim, Regina, swim.
He's still floating. Go, go, go.
She's hanging on for dear life.
Come on.
Yeah, girl. You got this. You're almost there.
Great time.
You can do it.
Come on, come on, come on.
Touch, touch, touch. You got it. She touched.
I mean, she fell off. Come on.
I fell off when I was hanging on to my boat. It still floats.
Yes.
Right.
Wait, the challenge is last to sink, right? Did Regina sink? No.
Oh.
Ha!
Yeah.
What was the time?
Okay. Well, she did it.
Good job, Regina.
Yeah!
Okay.
So you're not gonna tell Project Zorgo where safe house is, right?
Not just yet. We got one more round.
Daniel, hold this camera real quick.
Okay. Okay, got it.
PZ9, come here, come here. Gotta show you something.
What is it?
It's right here in the boat. See right here? Oh! Can we see his face? His face! Look!
He doesn't have a mask on.
Get his face!
His face, Daniel.
We gotta get his face! We can show his identity! He won't tell Project Zorgo our address if we reveal his identity.
V, what's it look like?
Are you happy? Is that funny to you guys? Well, now that I'm in the water already, I have an idea for the third challenge. PZ9 Shark Attack.
What?
Shoot, he's gonna try to eat our boats while we float across.
Okay, let's hurry, let's hurry.
Go! Hopefully PZ9 does not shark attack us. And we gotta both fit in this thing.
Oh my gosh.
He's gonna totally sink.
It's gonna sink. Oh shit. Oh my gosh, Chad.
Oh no.
Okay, here we go, here we go.
Survive the shark attack for 60 seconds. And you know the deal.
Okay, guys, keep floating.
We're sinking. I mean, we're floating and we're sinking. I got a hole, Daniel.
Oh no!
Oh,
Just last for 60 seconds, guys. I see him in the water, guys.
oh no.
Wait, where is he?
Coming.
He's right underneath.
Shark attack.
Oh no!
Where'd he go? I don't see him. I think we're safe. He must have got scared and swam away.
B, you're right here.
I've never seen a shark with yellow hands before.
Come on, guys, you can do it.
You got this!
You guys, push him back. Time's almost up. Keep going, keep going.
It's coming, it's coming!
PZ9.
He's right there.
Right there!
Oh, no, he's coming.
Right there!
Oh no! What's going on?
I fell off my boat. I said. B, I'll save you. I'll save you. B. I'll fight off the shark. I'll fight off the shark.
Uh-oh. Oh, an underwater battle royale.
Oh gosh, I'm sorry, you guys. I thought we were gonna win for sure.
Me too.
Yeah, it's up to you guys now.
Okay,
We can do this.
we gotta do this.
Yeah.
Where's Chad?
Okay, I'm gonna stay in the water. I'm gonna make sure you guys stay afloat during the shark attack.
Okay.
Yeah,
All right, thanks, Chad. Okay, ready, Regina?
Okay, we can do this because we're friends again.
We're friends. Yeah, let's do it.
Oh good, I was kind of worried about that.
Okay,
Be on it.
we're floating.
Oh, do you hear that?
There's a hole in here.
There's a big hole!
I hear the hole. It's going. Psst. Here comes the shark.
Oh no! Did you put a hole in this, Regina?
I didn't put a hole in that!
Chad's right under us.
I think PZ9 put a hole in our float!
I think he did.
He's there. Come on. Get out of here.
Get out
I got her. I got you. I got you. I got the shark.
You're cheating.
I got the shark.
You're cheating.
Yeah, I got him. I got the shark. Oh.
I see the hole.
Where?
The hole's right there.
This?
Yeah. Patch it up. Patch it up.
Okay, okay. I'm holding it with my thumb.
So far, so good. I haven't seen PZ9 for a while.
He's right there!
He's right there.
Go, go, go.
Oh no!
Chad, help him!
We're almost there, Regina.
We're almost there.
You guys can do it.
Come on, hurry!
He's out for the count. He's coughing over there. He's not breathing very well.
Good job, Chad.
He doesn't know how to breathe underwater like a real shark.
Yeah. Look at him.
5 more seconds left. 4, 3, 2. Oh! You survived!
You did it!
We did it!
Yes! Kick bomb!
Kick bomb my face. Project Zorgo will never find out where we live.
All right, guys, great job. PZ9, we won. You're not gonna tell Project Zorgo where we live, right?
Right.
Well, that's what I said, right?
Yeah.
But
What? But what?
I lied. I'm gonna tell him anyways.
What?